Imagine offices that are not only a place to work, but a place to learn, be inspired, and enhance well-being. Hospitals where digital connectivity transforms patient diagnosis, care delivery, and patient outcomes. Imagine universities that are collaborative networked hubs with physical and digital learning spaces, providing a customized learning experience for anyone. And factories that are totally connected and an integrated part of the circular economy. We help shape this world. We design smart and healthy environments around people, humanizing the function of technology to create the optimal user experience. People-centric buildings that feel, react, and adjust to how they're used. We bring value by creating inspiring and sustainable environments that boost productivity, collaboration, and well-being, helping people, organizations, and communities thrive. Whether for an office, a hospital, a university, or a factory, we repurpose building environments and transform them into people-centric places.